welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and healthy onion salad. This is a great combination with non-veg gravies. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started and see how to make this delicious recipe. So today I've taken about 2 large onions. Let's peel it, wash it and start slicing them into thin slices. Now let's remove the hard portion in the center and slice it as thin as possible. So the quantity of the salad we are making today can be served for about 3 persons. This is such a refreshing salad. It goes very well with the non-veg gravy. As we all know, onions are so good for our health and can boost our immunity. So this salad can be regularly made and be served as often as possible. You can see that the slices are nice and thin. So this is what we are looking for. Now let's keep it aside and let's start chopping the tomatoes. Today I have taken about 2 large tomatoes. Now let's chop it into cubes. Always buy the fresh veggies for the salads. It definitely makes a big difference. The fresher the better. You can see the tomatoes are so nice and juicy. You can also refrigerate the salad for about 10 minutes before serving. That also enhances the flavor. So now let's start chopping the chilies. I've taken 2 green chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Now our chilies are ready. Let's start chopping the coriander leaves. Let's take a small bunch of coriander leaves, wash it well and chop it as small as possible. So now let's keep it aside. We need 1 lime. So let's cut it into halves. Okay friends, the ingredients for our recipe is ready. So let's get started and see how to make this recipe. Now let's take a bowl. Into the bowl, let's start adding all the ingredients that we have prepared. Let's add the sliced onions. Now let's add the green chilies. We don't need any special dressing for this salad. It's very easy and quick to make. Now let's add the tomatoes. Now let's start adding the lime juice. Today I have taken about 1 lime. You can alter the lime juice according to your taste and the size of the lime. So it's always better to add half a lime first, taste it, and if you want you can add the other half of the lime juice. Because as you all know, the size of the lime differs. So you can alter the lime juice according to your taste. Now after adding the lime juice, let's carefully remove the seeds that have fallen, 1 or 2 here and there. Now let's add the salt. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt. You can definitely alter the salt according to your taste as well. Now let's mix everything thoroughly. This is a very refreshing salad and very tasty as well. And now for the final garnish, let's add the chopped coriander leaves. So that's it, friends. Our onion salad is ready to be served. This can also be refrigerated for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving for a better taste. So let's start tasting it. Okay friends, our delicious and healthy onion salad is ready. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.